All right, sometimes we have to use several transformations to solve equations, and that is the name of our lesson today, lesson chapter 3, section 3. Our essential question, can we solve equations by using more than one transformation? For real numbers a and b, a plus b minus b equals a, and a minus b plus b equals a. For all real numbers and non-zero real numbers b, ab divided by b is a, and a divided by b times b is a. Now, that's not really how we do it. And remember, we can always check these like we checked the last. So let's go ahead and solve this first. We are solving example 1 for x. We want to get rid of everything away from the x first. If we have a -7, we're going to add 7. So remember, if you need to draw your line down your equal sign, that's fine. What I do to one side, I do to the other. -7 and 7 cancel out, and 2x is equal to 11. Now, we are still solving for x. How is 2 connected by x? Multiplication. So we have to divide each side 3 by 2. Do the opposite. So notice that x is equal to 11 over 2. Now, we will always want to check. I don't have the check marks here, but let's go ahead and check. We know x was equal to 11 over 2. When I check this, 2 times 11 over 2 is just 11, and 11 minus 7 is 4. So this one does check through, and the answer is 11 over 2. What about this one? We are going to start with adding 9, because remember, we want to work through everything away from the x first. So we have 1/5 x is equal to 12. If 1/5 is being multiplied, in order to divide, I multiply by the reciprocal. And I love how nice that looks, because I know that those 1s are going to cancel out and those 5s are going to cancel out. So we get x is equal to 60. Again, I'm going to check my work. 1/5 times 60 minus 9, is that equal to 3? Well, 1/5 of 60 is 12. 12 minus 9, 3 is equal to 3. It checked through as well. So remember, x is equal to 60. Every once in a while, you get some that look a little different. Notice that all of k minus 4 is being divided by 2. Since all of k minus 4 is being divided by 2, in order to get rid of that 2 which is being divided, that's the furthest thing away from the variable, I have to get rid of that first. So I'm going to multiply each side through by 2 first. K minus 4 is equal to 26. And when I add 4 to each side, k is equal to 30. Again, I'm going to encourage you to check your work. 30 minus 4 divided by 2. And just like you would solve order of operations, you would do the top first. 26 divided by 2. And 13 is equal to 13. This is my answer. K is equal to 30. 2 more. On this one, 40 equals 2x plus 3x. We have to add like terms first. 2x plus 3x is 5x. How is 5 connected by x? By multiplication. So I'm going to divide to solve for it. And x is equal to 8. Again, you should always check your work. 40 is equal to 2 times 8 plus 3 times 8. Is that a true statement? Yes, because 16 plus 24 is equal to 40. All right, last one. We'll do that challenge in class. Where would you begin on this? I would begin with distribution. 8w plus 8 minus 3 equals 48. From here, I'd probably add like terms. 8w plus 5 equals 48. When I subtract 5 to each side, these cancel out, and 8w equals 43. And yes, I just have to divide. Since 8 is being connected with w by multiplication, we just have to divide each side by 8. And w equals 43 over 8. Do those weird numbers kind of throw you off? Don't let them.